planning for a butt lift, and are you looking forward to know what all you have to do after the butt lift? Then get into this video along with me. I'm Dr. Deepthi, consultant plastic surgeon, Eternal Aesthetics. Butt lift surgery is majorly about filling your entire buttock area with fat removed from different parts of your body through liposuction. We process this fat and re-inject it into the butt area according to the shape decided by the patient. And also, this helps in increasing the volume of the butt. So, what all post-op care do you need to take? Just not after the surgery. In butt lift, there's a small good care that you can take before the surgery. This will enhance your result. That is, at least 2 to 3 months before the surgery, try to take a diet which is a good fat favoring diet in terms of good dairy products, ghee, good cold pressed oils, and also some food items which are rich in collagen, like flaxseed oils, or chia seeds, or anything that can trigger good collagen, and also a lot of vitamin C. So when you're giving your body this kind of diet, the fat is in a phase wherein it's happily thriving there. There's good nourishment to the fat, and the fat cells have a good retention capacity post the butt transfer. The biggest loss in fat transfer is that there's a major loss of the fat cells, and what retains is usually low. Luckily for butt, the retention factor is already high, but since we want to make use of the entire fat that we are injecting in, if you start on a good fat favoring diet for at least 1 to 2 months before the procedure, this will help a lot and give you a much better result post the surgery. And coming to mainly position, immediately after the surgery, you're not allowed to or expected to lie down on the buttock. That is, even in the ICU, we ask the patient to sleep in a reversed position. So there is no much pressure in the newly transferred fat cells, and they're absolutely having a good environment. After your discharge, also, we advise you to buy a ring pillow wherein we expect you to sit on that ring pillow so that there is no direct pressure on the fat cells and the fat cells are surviving in their best environment. So, roughly for around 2 to 3 months, you have to follow this sitting position, and there's no exception for it. You will have to carry a ring pillow along with you, even if you're embarrassed, and to keep the result at its best attained position so that you have a good take of the fat cells. Don't plan for any aggressive activities which involve your pelvic girdle, that is excessive walking or excessive running or too much of gymming, or anything that will sweat you out for the next 3 months. This is absolutely a big no-no for fat transfer cases, especially butt transfer. Absolutely no hot showers or saunas for at least 3 months after the surgery. Extreme heat temperatures or even extreme cold temperatures are sometimes detrimental for fat take. So take bath with lukewarm water or keep yourself in good room temperatures so that you have a good retention of the fat cells that we transferred. And for people who are already very high in activity, like athletes or marathon runners, they might have a low take of fat after the procedure because their fat is already on a not a very good nourished tone. So for these kind of people, this care is extremely important. Otherwise, they might not see any result after a butt lift in some cases. No body massages or no vigorous deep tissue massages, especially for the next 3 months, especially on the buttock area. People have this thought process that post plastic surgery, massaging can give a smooth finish. Yes, in most of the cases, but not at all in fat transfer cases. So don't plan for any massages post the surgery. If you see any irregularity just after 1 to 2 months, you can give a mild massage on the area where you feel it's irregular, but the pressure should be very minimal and only accepted if you're doing it by yourself. That's the best way. So I hope I have cleared all your doubts and given you a good idea about how to take care of yourself post butt lift. If you like this video and if you feel it's useful to any of your friends, please forward it to them. Please like this video, share and subscribe for Eternal Aesthetics channel. And in case you have some more doubts, please comment below and I'll reply for them.